Hello everyone, I am Walt, this is Scout, and today we are talking about part 49 of 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis in the Enlightened Life series, doing some tutorial stuff here once more. Yep. Okay, let's dive into this principle, part 49 here. So what is our 49th principle all about? This one is about wearing your favorite outfit, okay? Now, our favorite outfit, I don't think this always has to be your absolute favorite outfit, but they're all shirts that we like, and shirts we don't like, kind of stuff. They're all clothes we like how they feel versus clothes we hate how they feel, how they look, how they feel. Anything that's going to be looking good or feeling good, and hopefully both of these, that gives you that sense of happiness, either because of past experiences with these clothes or because you just like them, then that is something that's going to spark up some happiness. And that's what this series is all about. Either if you're the happiest person in the world or the saddest person in the world, these things can always give you a little boost to feel happy on a daily basis. Either to basically get the ball rolling towards happiness or to keep the speed up. Basically, happiness is something we can all have, and we can have it nearly all the time. We're just programmed so much to not have that kind of stuff. And I don't think that's necessarily intentional, it's just kind of how things have played out as an end result. So yeah, really here, it's just a question of how do we do that, and of course, wearing the right clothes is a key part of it, because the clothes can, really affect how you feel, how confident versus, not confident you are. And of course, I have a book on confidence if you guys want to check that one out. It is only 99 cents and whatnot. Anyway, I'll save that part for later on here. But yeah, I wanted to really just say that clothing is a big deal to people. People wear clothes for a reason, and certain clothes will make people feel better or worse. And so if it's a t-shirt or a suit here, whatever you want to do in between there that's going to make you feel good, that's your favorite outfit, then it's important to be able to put that on and to wear it, because it's really going to, as we've talked about in the previous part, bring up some of those happy memories of the past related to this, piece of clothing. And it's also just going to make you feel good because you like the clothing for its look or its feel. That's just something that's going to make you happier than if you wear something you don't like how it looks and feels scratchy and irritating. So yeah, anyway, that would be my advice on this piece. You can do this at any point. It's pretty easy to wear your favorite clothes here. And yeah, I would say this principle can definitely be helpful. And we all like, our variety of outfits. So of course, whatever outfit makes you feel best, or one of the outfits you like the most, go with that. Give it a shot. Anyway, that is about it for part 49. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of the Enlightened Life series. There is a link to those. Of course, I have my books on Amazon if you guys want to purchase any of those, completely optional. They are low cost for that convenience. And of course, some of the best self-help books of all time I have also linked here. So all that stuff is up to you guys. Otherwise, follow along with our free series. Enjoy this kind of stuff, support it, share it, and of course, all the things you want to do there. But thank you all for watching. You've been great, and I'll see you guys next time with part 50. So see you then.